Hey guys, welcome back. Or should I say, good morning winter sports fans. Here in beautiful, lovely Minnesota. Today I was going to be getting my summer tires swapped out for my winter tires. So what did nature do? It dumped about half a foot of snow on us overnight. So this morning, I guess, it's a good thing, isn't it, right? You're making a video about winter tires. You want a video with some snow in the background. Well, before the kids get up, before the kids get up and before my work day starts, of course, I've got a shovel, do what us good Minnesotans do. So already this morning, I've been using my trusty snowblower, which I had to dig out from behind all of this stuff. As tidy as my garage looks for the most part, this corner here is basically where I just keep all the crap out of the way and out of shot. Now I've got the fun job of just sort of going over the driveway again and getting rid of the stuff that the snowblower can't lift up with the shovel, so it doesn't turn into an ice skating rink and I don't fall over and break my knee like I did a couple of years ago. So let's get this video off to a good start. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Dad, back!
Here he comes. Ah! Now, I know I'm a bit of a fat knacker anyway, but that's actually quite hard work. The pushing snow is a lot easier than shoveling snow in my experience, but man, still pretty tiring. And for those who don't know about the Midwestern winter, this doesn't happen every day. We get like 5, maybe 6 big snowstorms every season, sort of once every 3 weeks. And you gotta come out and shovel. And you gotta do sidewalks. And then the really fun part is when you get plowed in. And for the Brits, no, that's not when you go to the pub on a Friday night with your mates and you drink a skinful. That's when the city plow goes along the street and actually puts all the snow back onto your driveway. Yeah, and then you can't get out. It's really helpful of them. Anyway, now the drive's done, I'm ready for Paul the Tread Connection to come over. So let's get it on.
Hey, good morning. It's Paul with Tread Connection Minneapolis. Back out here with James, putting tires on the Highlander and the Porsche. Gonna get the winter stuff set up and ready to go, because clearly on October 20th in Minnesota, it's not uncommon to get 6 to 9 inches of snow. So we're gonna make it happen, and yeah, hopefully we can stay somewhat warm while we're doing it.
Well, Paul at Tread Connection has come up with the goods once again. What I love about Tread Connection is that they come to you. I've said this in several videos now, but it's true, and every time it comes to the changing of the seasons and I've got to go from summer to winter or winter back to summer tires, it is so nice not to have to worry about figuring out which shop to take the car in, lug the wheels down there, wait around while they get done. Tread Connection come to you whether you're at home, your office. They change the tires right there and then. They can patch and repair tires. We just discovered a nail actually in the
in one of my rear summer tires. That can be fixed on site. Paul does all of the work in the van, and that was it. 2 cars this morning, couple of hours maximum. I got to get on with my day, and Paul was in and out. So just, it's such a great service. Let's give it some. It's wet, it's cold, but these winter tires, the Michelin Alpins, they are so good. Just amazing. And you know, it's funny how the world works. A couple of days ago, it was still sort of 60 or 70 degrees here in the Twin Cities. We had a couple of cold days, but the trees were looking beautiful. It was just a very enjoyable autumn or fall. And then all of a sudden, yesterday afternoon, it started to snow. And then what happens? We've got like half a foot of snow today. And it just so happens, complete coincidence, the day the snow came was the day that I had Paul at Tread Connection scheduled to come over and change the tires. So that works out really well. And now I got to give the car a quick test drive, throw the drone up in the air for 5-10 minutes, and just go and have a bit of fun. So thanks for watching. More videos coming soon, and get out there and drive. Take care. Bye.